But I also want to pivot a little bit to Brazil or to South America, actually, as a whole. They have Chinese EVs there. How's that working for them? Well, I'm going to talk about, let's see, Brazil. Brazil has Great Wall Motors, Chinese company. They invested $1.85 billion, created 2,000 jobs. Mexico has over 20 Chinese automakers and parts suppliers, and since 2022 have invested $7 billion. I mean, that's why you see a little bit of reluctance here on Mexico, even though they're being pressured by the US to impose tariffs on the Chinese. Argentina, Cherry automaker, again Chinese, has invested 400 millions in building a plant there that's going to create 6,000 jobs. And they're all getting cheaper cars when we compare, because if I'm looking at Australia, Tesla Model Y, same car we get here, is $10,000 less. Why is that? Why is the Tesla $10,000 less in Australia than it is here, when Australia is renowned to having more expensive vehicle because everything gets shipped there? Well, that's because, well, BYD has vehicles for $30,000 that are actually on par with Tesla Model Y offers. And I'm not saying that sets the bar quite high or anything like that, but that's what happens when you let the Chinese in. These other manufacturers are either going to forego market shares, which they don't like doing, or they're just going to cut some prices down drastically. Hence, that's why you have the same car we buy here, we buy a $10,000 more. And that's not even on par with the affordability that's over there. It's still a little bit over what BYD or MG or Cherry or Great Wall offers.